How to back up Instagram data. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can back up Instagram data, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Instagram, preferably on your website. This is because you might not be able to do this on your mobile app. And so once you're on your website, on the Instagram website, move to the bottom part of the screen, the bottom right corner where you can see your profile icon, and click on it. After clicking on it and you're on your profiles page, the next thing to do is to move to the top left corner where you can see a gear icon, which stands for the settings icon, and just click on it. And so once you've done that, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, the first option you should select is account center. And then you'll be taken to your account centers page where you would see more details about your account. And so once you can see that, the next thing to do is to move to account settings where you can see options like password and security, personal details, your information and permissions, add preferences account. Click on your information and permissions, and then you'll be taken to your information and permission page. Alright, so on this page, you can see options like download your information, transfer a copy of your information, search history. So just go ahead and click on download your information. And so after clicking on download your information, you'll be taken to the next page where you can see your information, includes things you've shared, your activity, your data as a whole. And so if you still want to go ahead, click on download and or transfer information, and then you have to select. If you have multiple accounts or multiple profiles like I do here, you'll be asked to select the account where you would like to download the information from. So I've selected an account, and then after selecting the account, the next button would be available at the bottom part of the screen. Click on it and then you'll be taken to the next page. How many information? Select as many as you want. Then you have to select the destination. After selecting, click on next, and then you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be asked to create files that you'd like to download. So click on create files, and then just like that, your download would start, and your data will be packed up on Instagram, and then Instagram will send you an email with your data within 48 hours. So thank you for watching, and I show you practice this.